Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the grammar station. Already we had discussed about the grammar junction of the same topic, the definite article. Now we are going to discuss about the grammar station, the definite article. The definite article is the. Indefinite article is a and an. So here they had given only the definite article. Okay. This is a short story which is given to you from the book. So the group had gathered at the Rohan house for the night party. They were all dressed in the pajama and seated around the table talking the ghost stories. Suddenly there was a knock at the door. Someone pushed it back open. The children grabbed in horror. The witch was standing at the door. She was shaking her broom at them and shouting angrily. All they had started to panic. What if the witch cast the wicked spell on them of all? So let us see, they had given some words in the bold like the word a and the are articles. The articles or the determiners or the word who came to begin the noun phrase or tell us whatever the noun phrase refers to someone specific or general. So this noun phrase helps us to know whether they are going to talk the word about the general or specific thing. A and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called definite article. We had discussed already what are the articles. Articles are, there are two types, definite and indefinite. What are the usage of a and an, what are the usage of the in the last class. So let us go directly. At the first, the which is used because the which was not seen before. Then the which is used that is was introduced and could before. Therefore, we referred to the definite article. We use the definite article the to refer a noun we already introduced or spoken about. As we studied in the last chapter, grammar junction. When we use something that is specifying something, there we will use. Again we are specifying the particular thing, the same which, so we are using that. Okay, already we had spoken about, so we are using the there. Here is a table listed the different way in which the definite article is used with a superlative adjective. So we will use the in front of the superlative adjective. The girl, she is the tallest girl in the class. So tallest is a superlative degree we had used there. So in front of the superlative degree we are using the word the article, definite article the. When there is only one of something, only one universal thing, the Pope. So we will use the Pope is visiting our city this month. Before the musical instrument. Rebuk cannot play the flute very well, but he play the piano like an expert. So the flute, the piano before the musical. Before certain service we will use. This fight is getting out of hand. You should call the police. So we are using for the service the police, the nurse. We can use the. With the adjectives like rich, poor, elder, unemployed to talk about the group of people. When we are talking about the group of people, when we describe the adjective, there we will use the poor, the rich, the disabled. So she works for the group that helps the disabled. It's a group of people. For the country with plural name, the Netherlands, the United States of America, we will use the in front of the mountain range, region, group of islands, well-known buildings and the monuments, ocean, sea, river and the names of direction. The Alps, the Bahamas, the ocean, the north. Okay. With the family names of the plural form, the Sharmas are there at the wedding. So we should not use in front of the surname, but we can use in front of the family names. Okay. See. Here they had, you already had studied about the articles very well. This is a thing which is given to you, refresh your knowledge. I hope you had understand what is the difference between the definite article and indefinite articles and what are the usage. Now we will do the exercise. Okay. Take the sentence that is used a definite article correctly. So here they had given 5 sentences. There we have to use the definite article in a right way. Okay. Ron always spent the Christmas with his parents. Spend the Christmas we should not say. So the first one is not right. So we have to put the into mark there. She saw a dog on the opposite side way. The opposite. So they shown the direction, the opposite. So the first one is not right, the second one is right, because they had used the in front of the direction. I am a citizen of Spain. The Spain, it's wrong. So third one again it is wrong. Before the country we won't use that. The school that she got is old. The school. So it is right. Next, we are going to watch the show on the television. So in front of television we can use that. So the first and the third one is wrong, remaining A, B and B, D and E is right. Okay. Next they had given filling the blanks with a definite article if required, otherwise write X. It means wrong in the blank. There is dash bathroom. There is where is the second one, page number 43. This is exercise page number 43, second one. A, where is the bathroom? The second one, we are going to home, their own article. So we have to put no article. Dash, Ganguly were invited to the party. So here we should not use any article. The major concern for the present government is provided for homeless. So there also we don't need to use any article. Do you know the distance of the earth from the sun? So the earth from the sun. So this is a exercise which is given in your page number 43, second one. So where is the bathroom? We are going home for Diwali, not for the Diwali. The Ganguly, not Ganguly were invited to the party. Next, the major concern for the present government is providing for homeless. Do you know the distance from the earth to sun? Because it is unique, so we are using the earth and the sun. Okay, we will go to the third one. Rewrite the sentence after inserting the definite article whenever required. So we have to rewrite the sentence. The sentence is already given there, so we have to rewrite it. Okay. We play violin at the competition. So in front of the page number 43, this exercise, page number 43. Again 44 is also there. So the third main, the A, in the blank we have to write, we played the violin at the competition. At the competition. Angie met us at same place. At the same place. Angie met us at the same place. Next one. Graham Bell invented telephone. So here we have to write Graham Bell invented the telephone. So D, I finished the last chapter of the book yesterday. I finished the last chapter because the is a cardinal number we had used there. So I finished the last chapter. The last chapter of book yesterday. Okay. Then I will be at home in the evening. I will be at home in the evening. So copy down this. Again, empty subject. Read this passage given below. It was a snowy evening, snowing when I stepped out of my car, pulling up my hood over my head. I can run across the street to the dinner, the place where I was supposed to meet my uncle. It was surprised to meet that my uncle wanted to talk there. There are the inspirational phrases on the walls, heart-shaped cakes in the desserts display, the pink roses on the table. When I entered there was only a cashier and the waiter. I looked like uncle was going to be late. So look at the passage, the words it and there in the passage. So they had used it was, there was, it was. So many its and theirs are used in this passage. So they are used as a pronoun, but the noun do not replace. It and there has been used in the passage as a empty pronoun. It does not have any particular meaning, so it is called as a empty pronoun. So they does not refers to any subject or any noun, so it is a empty subject. So they did not give any information about anything. எதை பற்றியும் சொல்லலை, சும்மா இட்டு தேருன்னு எந்த ஒரு சப்ஜெக்டையோ எந்த ஒரு நவுனையும் என்ன பண்ணலை, ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணலை. அதனால தான் இதுக்கு பேர் என்னது, empty pronoun. Okay, see the uses of it and uses of there. To give an opinion about the place, it was very quasi in my room. To introduce a topic, next indefinite constructions to refers. It is earlier. Time, it is 9 in the morning. It was raining. To give an opinion followed by the infinitives. It is interesting to observe how ant gathered food. It give an opinion followed by an ing verb. ing verb க்கு அடுத்தால ஃபாலோ பண்ணும்போது ஒரு ஒப்பீனியன் கொடுக்கும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவோம், it யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். It was a shame seeing people litter the street like this. சரியா? So we will use to give a information, as well as it help us to construct a construction to referring something, or it represents the time and the weather, and it is followed by the two infinitive verbs and ing verbs. Okay, there we will use it, and wherever we will use there. To introduce the new topics with the numbers and the quantity, we will use there. To state the location with infinite pronoun and infinite pronoun or expression of the quantity or ing verbs. Okay, someone we will use, there is someone standing, so it is indefinite pronoun we are using to express the quantities. Okay, so this is the usage of it and the there. We already discussed in the grammar junction. So we will solve the exercise which is given for you by using the it and the there. This exercise is given in your page number 45. The first one, filling the blanks with it or there. The first one, dash is certain that we shall lose. So it is certain. Next, dash was miracle that you survived. It was miracle. Dash is a plenty of time. There is a plenty of time. The next one, dash is very cloudy today. So it is representing the time, so we will use it, time and weather. Next, dash was lot of shouting there last night. So there was. I hope you understand how to write it and there. Rewrite the it sentence by replacing the empty set it and they are there with another subject. So we have to rewrite the sentence which is given there. It was good that you haven't hurt. We have to replace the it. So this is the second main A part. So it was good that you haven't hurt. So you haven't hurt. You haven't hurt. How good. Okay. Second one. It is hard to think of anything to do. So we have to take it away. To think of there is a difference between this is think is thinking, this think is object. To do is hard. Okay, we have to replace the it and there. It puzzles me why she took this job. So I am puzzled. Puzzled means I am confused. I am puzzled why she took this job. Okay. Next, at the next page, it has been wonderful working with you. So we have to replace the it. So working with you has been wonderful. There is no doubt that she was embarrassed by the whole affair. There we have to replace the word there. She was, so we can change. She was undoubtedly embarrassed by the whole affair. Just you copy down in your book and we will go to the next one. So the second one, you aren't hurt, how good. To think of anything to do is hard. I am puzzled why she took this job. Working with you has been wonderful. She was undoubtedly embarrassed by the whole affair. Okay, shall I rub it? And we will pass on for the third. It's on the page number 46. Filling the blanks with there are to complete the passage. So it is given as a passage. My favorite time of the year in the Shimla is a spring. Right now it's June. So the first, it's June. The third one, page number 46. It's okay. And dash flowers everywhere. So there are. The next dash is there are. You should not read as a flower. It's not a flower, it's flowers. Dash hot enough to avoid sweater. So the next one is it is. Sweater and shawl, but not too hot. On the mall road, dash hundreds of tourists. There are hundreds of tourists. There are hundred of tourists, but you don't like crowds. It's easy. It's easy to get away. There is a beautiful tourist spot called Sunset Point, and it's only 5 kilometers from the road. From the park, it has a lovely view of the valley. It has. So it has. So the first, it's, there are, it is, there are, it's, then there is, it's, and it has. So copy down in your book. It is a passage which is given in page number 46. I hope you had understand what is the empty set. Thank you, my dear students. We will discuss the next chapter, grammar station and grammar junction in the next class. Thank you so much.